How to turn on open links in other apps on Samsung Internet Browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on open links in other apps on Samsung Internet Browser. First, then open the browser and here you will find these three lines in the bottom corner. Click on it and click settings. Scroll down, here you will find useful features. Click on it and here you will find this one, show reader mode button. And now just not this one here, the last one, open links in the apps. And now if you want to turn it on, all you need to do is just click on it, one click, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.